I've loosened them, all of them, so I'll take all of them out. Take all of them out. Now we've got this bare plate here, like this. Now inside here, there are more seals. A few more seals. And those seals need to be changed. Now, these seals you can hook out. As you see, they're very similar size to the rest of the seals, so you can take one out, two, three, four. So we've now got 4 seals, these 4 seals that need to be replaced. Now that is to stop water travelling through the valve stem. So obviously you've got the 2 seals either side of the cell. This is all sealed, and it all needs to be under pressure to operate the inlet and outlet valves to stop, so the water needs to be stopped going down through there. So we've now got those seals. We've got a few seals now that we've taken out. So what we do is we'll have a look at putting those back in a second.